Welcome to TeleMeetUp, your gateway to efficient and engaging virtual meetings. Today we'll explore how to enhance your meetings with 3 powerful features: real-time transcription and translation, meeting summarization, and session recording. First up, let's dive into the transcription and translation function. Ever been in a meeting with participants from around the globe? With TMU, language barriers are a thing of the past. To start, select your native language from the drop-down menu. Then, click the T button to activate real-time transcription and translation. Watch as every participant's speech is instantly translated and transcribed into your chosen language right on your screen. Next, let's look at the summarizing function. Do you want a quick recap of your meeting? It's as simple as a magic touch. Click on the magic wand button, then select the 3 dots to request a summary. In just a few seconds, TMU provides a concise summary of your meeting, capturing all key points and decisions. Lastly, let's ensure you never miss a detail with the recording function. Before your meeting, head to the settings and enable recording. When your session starts, click the recording button at the bottom of your screen to begin. It's that simple. After your session, navigate to your call history, select the meeting details, and copy the link to your recording. Now, you can revisit your discussions anytime, anywhere. With TeleMeetUp, you're equipped to host more productive, inclusive, and efficient meetings. Explore these features and more to discover how TMU can transform your virtual collaboration.